I'm gonna give you all an inside look on how I've been living here in Lisbon. I'm staying in a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment right in the historical city center of Lisbon. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the apartment looks like, including my room. So let's go ahead and get into the apartment. So this is what the whole apartment looks like when you come in through the front door. My bedroom is actually down this hall and to the left, but we are actually gonna go ahead and start with the kitchen. This is the kitchen here. It's got a bunch of different entrances. I really like this funky backsplash, and it's a pretty big kitchen with a ton of cabinet space and some really great natural light. It's decorated with 2 quintessentially Lisbon things, which are like sardines and of course tiles, because Lisbon is known for like amazing tiles everywhere. So yeah, this is what the kitchen looks like. We have a ton of countertop space and cabinet space, and there were cabinets we just didn't even go into for our entire month there. And right here we have this little alcove, this little like kitchenette area that has great light. It's 2 of the walls are just windows, so it's so full of light. And there's the bathroom to the right. But we're actually gonna go out to the balcony. So this door right here is actually a door to the patio type area. Not really decorated so much as there's just a bunch of stuff left over from the past remotes who lived in this apartment, as well as just like, you know, some rusted furniture and a grill. So has a nice view of the neighbors, you know, homes. And yeah, prepare for noise complaints if you're in this spot, because they're not here for us and our shenanigans. So there also is a door to the living room from the balcony. And yeah, we don't have a washer. So we have a washer, we don't have a dryer. So we just use the space. The living room doubles as a place to dry all of our clothes. But it's a like great place for entertaining, you know, there's shelving that allows you to have a desk. You can see that like decals on the wall are doing most of the work when it comes to the decor, but it gets the job done. It's really simple, really nice. Okay, and here we have our first bathroom. So this was the biggest bathroom because it did have this washing machine in it, but the other ones were pretty much about the same. They all had like this square shower in it, a toilet, double mirrors, as well as the double sink, which is nice. And you can see the second bathroom, which is pretty much the same, like I said, to the right. And then here we have my bedroom. I'm not gonna lie to y'all and clean it, okay? This is how I live my life, okay? I had to get this video out. So let's go to the window. This is my view. You can see the church to my right, just more apartments right in front, and then it kind of goes out to the street on my left. And yeah, it's a pretty simple, straightforward space. It's got a really, you know, narrow closet. It's got this reclaimed wood headboard, which is pretty cool. This is a double bed, but it actually is, it looks like it's a king, but it's just a double smushed together. And then of course you see the dresser. And then finally we have this really strange room that's just carved out in the middle of the apartment. We called it the library because it has these like random fake library books wallpaper and this spooky entrance to an attic space. So yeah, that is the entire apartment. There you have it. That is how I've been chilling here in Lisbon for the past month. Definitely a really big place, which is necessary to be sharing it with 4 other people for sure. I'm super satisfied with like the simplicity of the decor and the kind of very small amount of like furniture, because there's just more stuff to deal with, honestly. So yeah, you just kind of fill it with yourself and with your own personality and with your very small suitcase. That is how I've been living here in Portugal. Hope y'all enjoyed this apartment tour. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see y'all in the next video.